Alright guys, challenge lock for you. Baby Steps by EasyPicking. This is my first challenge lock by EasyPicking, so I'm excited to see what's inside it. I have opened this lock, not on camera. Oh yeah, it's a quick set. The key is mummied. This quick set's been around. Normally, I'm not actually a big fan of challenge locks made from old quick sets, because I mean quick sets are sloppy enough as it is. So when they're old, they just get grungy, and it actually makes it a lot harder. For me at least, I feel like the feedback is not as clear. But it's a challenge lock, so it's not supposed to be easy. All right, let's check what we have. Number 1. I'm trying to move so you can see the lock. Number 1, from what I remembered from the first time I opened this, you have to set pretty high. Okay, there we go. Got a little movement on the core. And number 2. Okay, a little more movement. Nothing on 3, nothing 4. 5. Okay, 5 we just went into a false set. Now here's where things are interesting. So I get counter on 3, but no matter what I do, I can't set it without dropping things. Let's try that anyway. So I set it, but I lost my false set. Then I go back to number 2. Go back to number 2. Come on. Number 2. Okay. I'm not going to let off tension enough to hear a click. Oh, maybe I wasn't trying to, but number 2, I'm curious what the driver looks like, because it seems like it's easy to overset. And it's easy to think you have it set and it's not actually set. Like now, I don't think I actually set it. Alright. I should put the lock in the center of the camera, not my hand. Sorry guys. There we go. We are open. So, sort of an interesting lock. So I opened that fairly quickly, but that does not make it an easy lock. Let's see if I can take it apart without locking it up again and having to use a key. We'll look at the key at the end though. Alright. Nice and easy. I'm always glad when circlips cooperate. Use a shim. Okay. Use the pink follower made by Bobby Keys for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. There we go. So you had to set everything. I may be seeing modifications. We'll check. Number 1 is a torpedo. 2 is normal. It's also short, so modifying it wouldn't have probably changed anything. 3 has some serrations. 4 is also a short one and it's unmodified. 5 has 2 serrations. Okay. Let's look at the core once more. I don't think I see anything. Maybe Nothing one. Okay. The core is unmodified. Here we go. Remove my shim. Let's check number 5. Number 5's some nice serrations with a steel spring. Number 4 has a strong spring, and that is a spool, maybe commercial, I'm not sure. Let's look at that at the end. And the spring is hiding. Here we go. Now we'll go from the front. Number 1. Another serrated. I think these are commercial. I could be wrong. Whoop. That spring tried to run away. Number 2. Interesting. This is the one that had such weird feedback. It's completely normal, no modifications whatsoever. Looks like all the springs are the same. Number 3. Alright, so it seems, where did that spring just end up? I swear it's out. Oh well, I'll find it. It's, oh, here we go, okay. Number 3 was the only spring that wasn't the same. It's a little copper spring. I'll check any modifications up here. Okay, no modifications there. So, I'm thinking that because of the commercial pins and the name of it, this was meant for someone who's new into making challenge locks. I know that I sent out a challenge lock called Training Wheels, and it's not super hard, but it's a great one to learn on. At least I hope so. And I feel like this one as well. You can learn a lot from this lock. So, number 1, the key pin has a torpedo, so you don't want to overset that. Number 2 is normal. Number 3 has some nice serrations. 4 is normal. 5 has, it's kind of like a serrated torpedo. And then I believe all the drivers are commercial. I could be wrong though, but 3 serrations, normal. Yeah, I believe these are commercial. More serrations. So, not that there's anything wrong with using commercial security pins. Not everyone has the interest in or the desire to make their own security pins, so use whatever you have. Nothing wrong with that. Alright guys, this was a challenge lock, Baby Steps by EasyPicking. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Oh, and the tray and the follower, just a reminder, I'm shooting this in October, International Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's affected all of us, I'm sure, in one way or another. Learn more about it. Donate if you have the means. So, alright, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. One more thing, guys. I was reassembling this lock and realized I never showed you what the key looks like. It's probably not too radical. Nope, not at all. Yep, looks like a quick set. Alright guys, see ya.